Hi guys, welcome to another video from DIY Daily. We're going to run through the service light reset on this 2016 C-Class Merc today. Just before we get started, if you can click subscribe, that's much appreciated, and be sure to not miss out on any future content. Right, so we'll turn the ignition off, and then we'll turn it to stage 1, the first click there. Once we've got that on, press the home button. You see that one there. Now we'll confirm the trip with the OK button. As soon as we've done this, we're going to have to press and hold the phone button there, and then within a second press and hold the OK button, hold them both down together. So we'll do that now. So I'm just holding the phone and the OK button now. Once you've done that, it comes up with a new menu, to which you need to scroll down with the down arrow there to Assist Plus. Once you're on Assist Plus, turn the ignition to stage 2. Once the ignition's on, and you want to select Assist Plus. Again, with the OK button there. And then you can scroll down to Full Service, and OK again. Then this new menu will appear with some service and some numbers on. But if you scroll down to the bottom, you can confirm service there. And you just confirm the correct grade, which is 229.52. That's service carried out. Yes. And just scroll down again and confirm that. That's it. Again, that's done. We're just using the OK and the up and down arrows. And you can turn the ignition off. And that's that, it's all done.